माझे नाव तेजस बाळमडके, आता चौथी. माझ्या शाळेचे नाव जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा बामलवाडी. मी तुम्हाला स्पेलिंग वाचून दाखवित आहे. and add began but come could cry do easily I give hand here I in it like many more not nor of one only out put quickly sad shall she smiled so some take 10 their time to took to haunted odds ought will haunted